Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Definite Learning. Today we are going to start the third unit of English Book Puri Class 8. So today we are going to read the chapter The Case of the Fifth Word. So before reading the chapter we will do some activities. First one is work in pairs. Solve the crossword puzzle given below with the clues in the form of anagrams. Anagrams. So, an anagram is a word, phrase, or sentence formed by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. Like you can see here, neat, N-E-A-T. Its anagram is a net. So, from this word, a phrase has been made. A net. So you can see here all the letters has been used and they have been used only once. किसी एक वर्ड के सभी लेटर्स से कोई दूसरा वर्ड बनाना, उनको रीअरेंज करके दूसरा वर्ड बनाना. बट वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड वी डोंट हैव टू ऐड एनी अदर लेटर और वी डोंट हैव टू मिस एनी लेटर फ्रॉम द स्पेलिंग. हमें उस स्पेलिंग से कोई लेटर मिस नहीं करना है और ना ही हमें कोई अलग से लेटर ऐड करना है. जो स्पेलिंग दी गई है उसी स्पेलिंग से एक नया वर्ड बनाना है. दैट इज एनाग्राम. ओके, सो लेट अस सी crossword puzzle here. Hints have been given. These are for across and these are for down. So in across number 3, this is for number 3, declare. For declare we can make the word relaced. Relaced. In 6, tux, stuck. We can make stuck. 7, hurt, earth. From hurt we can make the word earth. Felt, for 9, felt. Here we can make left. Sown, we can make snow. Sword, for 12, sword, we can make words. For 13, evil, we can make while. While. Now let us see down. Number 1, aces. The word has been given here, aces. So by rearranging its letters, we can make case. Read, we can make deer. Tool, loot. Alps, we can make slap or we can also make pulse. If you have another words, if you know another words, you can make them. अगर आपके पास कोई और वर्ड है इसी स्पेलिंग से तो आप वो भी बना सकते हैं. बट आपको ध्यान रखना होगा कि ये अक्रॉस और डाउन सभी लेटर्स फिर मैच हो जानी चाहिए. नंबर 6, हुक्स, वी कैन मेक शूक. मेन, नेम. 11 is loves, we can make solve. So here actually this chapter is based on anagrams. We will see later. Let us see the second activity, work in pairs. Match the different meanings of case in column 2. So this is column 2 and the meanings have been given here with the correct uses in the sentence is column A. So this is column A and some sentences have been given here. Share your answers with your classmates and teacher. So for these sentences we have to see which meaning. These are meaning. column 2 में जो दिए गए हैं वो meaning दिए गए हैं कि केस के क्या क्या meaning हो सकते हैं और हमें देखना है कि ये जो इन sentences में जो केस दिया गया है कौन से केस का क्या meaning है. We have to match them. Lalit said that he could not sing, but that was not the case as he sang melodiously later. Situation ऐसी नहीं थी. The lawyer was waiting for the case to be taken up in the court. Matter. My pencil case is a gift from my grandmother. Pencil case, pencil container. The subject of a formal letter is written in title case writing format. So fourth one, one, third, second, fourth, and third one to container. Okay, so let us see. Now read the following text and find out which case the title refers to, because the name of the chapter is the case of the fifth word. So we have to see which meaning has been given here in the chapter. So here we'll start reading the chapter. The case of the fifth word is a detective story about a mysterious note that needs to be understood. एक mysterious note है इसमें, कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, एक्चुअली दोज आर एनाग्राम्स, कुछ एनाग्राम्स दिए गए हैं, तो उनको सोल्व कर रहे हैं. The note contains a secret message that is difficult to solve even for the smartest police officers. But an 8th grade student studies the note carefully and solves the mystery. Here, this is the boy named Encyclopedia. This is 8th grade student. 8वीं क्लास का बच्चा है Encyclopedia. और he can solve the most difficult problems in no time. बहुत ज़्यादा जो मुश्किल प्रॉब्लम होती है उनको भी वो quickly solve कर लेता है. So let us see. Encyclopedia Brown is a young boy who lives in Idyllwill, USA. So name of the boy is Encyclopedia Brown. He lives in the town Idyllwill in USA. His father is the chief of police. Chief of police, he is some police officer. In spite of being so young, he often helps his father solve mysteries that even the police find difficult to solve. Even though he is small, he is very young, but he helps his father solve the cases. Their discussions are generally held at the dining table. So they discuss the case at the dining table, as you can see in this picture. They are dining and talking as well. Maybe they are discussing some case here. Read this story to find out how the boy wonder solves a case that has been troubling his father. So here in this chapter, a case has been solved by Encyclopedia Brown. तो हमें देखना है कि वो कैसे अपने फादर की हेल्प करता है इस केस को सॉल्व करने में. See, Encyclopedia's father was chief of police. So he was chief of police, a police officer. Everyone thought that he must be the smartest police chief in the country. People thought he must be the smartest. Chief Brown was smart and quick. He didn't sit around and worry. Yes, he was. Encyclopedia's father was smart and quick. And people thought he must be smartest police officer. And whenever he came up against a case, whenever he got a case, he did not sit idle or he did not worry. When he came up against a case he couldn't solve, he acted at once immediately. जब भी उनके पास कोई केस आता था तो वो इमीडिएटली एक्शन लेते थे. ही क्लियर्ड हिज डेस्क, पुट ऑन हिज हैट एंड वेंट होम टू डिनर. क्लियर्ड हिज डेस्क, इट मीन्स यू कैन से ही वाइंडेड अप, अपने काम को समेट देते, वो जल्दी से खत्म करते, पैकअप करते. पुट ऑन हिज हैट, पुट ऑन हिज हैट, पुट ऑन मीन्स वेयर, अपना हैट पहनते, इट मीन्स ही गोट रेडी टू गो होम. ही वेंट होम टू डिनर. Encyclopedia solved the case for him before dinner was over. So before dinner was over, it means they discussed the case at dinner table, and before completing the dinner, before finishing the dinner, he solved the case. Means he solved the case quickly. वो बहुत जल्दी केस को सॉल्व कर दिया करता था. वो डिनर टेबल पर केस को डिस्कस करते और जब तक डिनर खत्म होता एनसाइक्लोपीडिया केस को सॉल्व कर देता था. Chief Brown would have liked to tell everyone about his only child. He wanted to tell. Chief Brown wanted to tell about his son's smartness. But who would believe him? But who would believe him? Who would believe that the best detective alive was an 8th grader? So he said nothing. Everyone thought Chief Brown solved the case. हर कोई सोचता था Chief Brown केस सॉल्व करता था. लेकिन अगर वो किसी को बताता कि उसका बेटा बहुत स्मार्ट है, वो सॉल्व करता है, तो कौन मानेगा, क्योंकि वो तो केवल 8वीं क्लास का बच्चा था. इसलिए वो कुछ भी नहीं कहते थे. Encyclopedia never spoke of the help he gave his father. So he also never said, he also never mentioned the help he gave to his father. He didn't want to seem different from other boys, so he didn't want to be different from other boys. But there was nothing he could do about his nickname. He was stuck with it. He was connected with it. Stuck with it, connected with it. He, Encyclopedia, and his father both never mentioned anything about his smartness. His father thought that no one would believe him, or Encyclopedia thought Encyclopedia did not want to be different from other boys. That's why they never mentioned it. But he could not do anything with his nickname. He was connected with it. His nickname was Encyclopedia. उसका नाम Encyclopedia रख दिया था किसी ने भी, लोगों ने. तो कहता है कि वो उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकता था. Only his parents and teachers called him by his real name, Leroy. His real name was Leroy. Everyone else called him Encyclopedia. Only his teachers and father called him by his real name Leroy. Everyone else called him Encyclopedia. An encyclopedia is a book or set of books filled with facts from A to Z. Encyclopedia, this is a book that has every information about every topic. किसी भी टॉपिक के बारे में कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन ले लो एनसाइक्लोपीडिया पे होती है, तो में होती है, तो इसलिए उसके पास वो बहुत स्मार्ट था, बहुत क्विक भी था, जल्दी केस सॉल्व कर देता था, हर चीज़ की सोल्यूशन उसके पास होती थी। तो उसके दोस्तों ने, उसके साथियों ने, कंपेनियंस ने, किसी ने भी उसका नाम एनसाइक्लोपीडिया रख दिया था। सो वॉज एनसाइक्लोपीडियाज हेड। एनसाइक्लोपीडिया जो बच्चा था उसका हेड भी एनसाइक्लोपीडिया जैसा ही था, उसमें हर इंफॉर्मेशन थी। ही रेड मोर बुक्स देन anyone in Idaville, and he never forgot a fact. His pals said, pals is friends, friends said he was like a library and computer rolled into one, combined into one, and more user friendly. So he was full of, his head was full of information because he read more books than anyone in Idaville, USA. कहता है कि आइडाविल में रहने वाले जितने भी लोग थे उन सबसे ज़्यादा बुक उसने पढ़ चुकी थी और वो कभी किसी फैक्ट को भूलता भी नहीं था। दैट्स वाई हिज फ्रेंड्स, हिज पाल्स कोल्ड हिम, दे सेड दैट लाइब्रेरी एंड कंप्यूटर रोल्ड इनटू वन, कंबाइंड इनटू वन, एक ही आदमी के अंदर लाइब्रेरी और कंप्यूटर दोनों आ गए हैं, एंड दैट इज मोर यूजर फ्रेंडली। At the dinner table on Tuesday night, Chief Brown stared at his cream of mushroom soup. Cream of mushroom, this is a dish. Encyclopedia and his mother knew what that meant. He had a mystery he could not solve. So maybe it was his habit that whenever he stared at the dish, he was confused. कि जब भी वो कभी एक डिश को ऐसे स्टेयर करता, घूरता, तो हो सकता है वो उसके माइंड में कोई कंफ्यूजन हो, कोई ऐसा केस, कोई ऐसी मिस्ट्री जिसको वो सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहा। So Encyclopedia and his mother understood that he had something in his mind. Tim Nolan died yesterday, he announced in a matter-of-fact manner. Matter-of-fact manner, it means without showing much emotion. He said, Tim Nolan, it was some person, died the day before. That name is familiar, Mrs. Brown said. Wasn't he mixed up in a jewelry robbery a few years ago? So Mrs. Brown found the name familiar. She asked if it was the man who was mixed up or who was included in the jewelry robbery a few years ago. 5 years back, Mr. Brown or Chief Brown presented the real fact that 5 years ago he was mixed up, he was included in a jewelry robbery. Two masked men held up the Diamond Mart on 6th Avenue. Held up, hold up. Hold up means robbery. Two masked men robbed the Diamond Mart on 6th Avenue. कहता है कि दो लोगों ने, दो masked men ने 6th Avenue, कोई किसी जगह का नाम है, उसके Diamond Mart को रोब किया था, मतलब लूट लिया था. They got away with $1 million worth of jewelry. They got away, they ran away with the jewelry. I thought Tim Nolan was arrested, Mrs. Brown said. Mrs. Brown said that she thought Tim Nolan was arrested at that time because now Chief Brown was saying that he died the day before. He died the previous day. So she thought he was arrested at that time 5 years ago. He was questioned, not arrested. Chief Brown corrected. Chief Brown corrected his wife that he was only questioned. He was only inquired or he was only interrogated. उसको केवल इंटेरोगेट किया गया था, उससे केवल क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे, उसको अरेस्ट नहीं किया गया था. I always believed that Nolan and a friend, a man named Daniel Davenport, pulled up the hold-ups. Pulled up the hold-ups means उन्होंने जो डकैती की थी. They did the robbery. Pulled up the hold-ups means they did the robbery. There wasn't any proof though. So Chief Brown was saying that he thought that Nolan and his friend Daniel Davenport did the robbery, but there was no proof at that time, so he was released. Encyclopedia said quietly he knew his father and mother were discussing the case for his benefit. He was only listening. Mr. Brown and Mrs. Brown were discussing the case, but Encyclopedia was quiet. He was saying nothing, just listening to them. His father filled in the facts. Fill in. This is a phrase. It means to provide the missing information. To provide the missing information. So he provided the missing facts. Nolan and Davenport had met, Chief Brown said, while both were in prison in South Carolina. South Carolina is a place. जब वो साउथ कैरोलिना की एक जेल में थे तब मिले थे दोनों. They became friendly because of shared interest, because their interests were same. That's why they became friends. Nolan was let out first. Let out means released. Nolan was released first. पहले उसको छोड़ दिया गया था. He settled in Idaville and started a small palm tree nursery. It barely yielded him a living. Yielded, provided here. Yielded means provided or produced. So Nolan was released. Then he started a nursery, palm tree nursery, and it was beneficial enough to survive. केवल इतना ही दे पाती थी नर्सरी से, उसके पास इतना ही आता था कि वो सर्वाइव कर पाए, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. Davenport came to live with Nolan a week before the jewelry store holdup. Holdup, again I am telling you, robbery. Robbery. कहता है कि डेवनपोर्ट उसके पास जो ज्वेलरी स्टोर की रोबरी हुई थी उससे एक वीक पहले आया था. ड्यूरिंग द होल्डअप्स वन गनमैन्स मास्क स्लिप्ड. सो ड्यूरिंग द रोबरी एक गनमैन का जो मास्क था वो स्लिप हो गया था, उतर गया था. A clerk thought she recognized Nolan, but she wasn't absolutely sure. So one of the clerk there, she thought she recognized Nolan, but she was not 100% sure. I remember now, Mrs. Brown said. The clerk refused to testify against him. Testify? Make statement in court to prove that something is true. Testify मतलब गवाही देना, किसी के प्रति के लिए गवाही देना. तो उस क्लर्क ने रिफ्यूज कर दिया था. डिनाई, रिफ्यूज, डिनाई, मना कर देना. And no trace of stolen jewelry ever turned up. Turned up, discovered. Turn up is a phrasal verb. It means found or discovered. So no trace, no sign of stolen jewelry were discovered. कभी मिले ही नहीं, कोई वो जो stolen jewelry थी वो कभी भी नहीं मिले. Davenport hasn't been seen since the hold-up, since the robbery. Since the मतलब जिस टाइम पे robbery हुई उस टाइम पे. So Davenport has not been seen after the robbery. Chief Brown said, "My hunch is that he and Nolan decided to hide the loot until things cooled down." Loot, the things that were looted or that were robbed. Loot क्या है? Loot का जो माल होता है वो. My hunch, my feeling. So Chief Brown said that Nolan and his friend decided to hide the things they robbed from the store until things cooled down or until things get relaxed. Didn't you search Nolan's house, dear? So who said this line? Because encyclopedia was quiet. He was saying nothing. Mrs. Brown asked Mr. Brown, "Didn't you search Nolan's house, dear?" She asked if he did not search Nolan's house. "I got a court order this morning," Chief Brown said. "Officers Lavish and Maloney just about took Nolan's house apart." Take apart is a phrasal verb. It means to destroy something. किसी चीज को डिसमेंटल कर देना, destroy कर देना. So Officer Maloney and Lavish almost destroyed his house. They didn't find one piece of stolen jewelry. After so much interrogation, so much inquiry, they did not find anything of stolen jewelry there. "Is there some mystery about Nolan's death yesterday?" Mrs. Brown asked. She asked if there was a mystery behind his death. Yes or no? Yes or no. It means he was not sure. Nolan suffered from a bad heart for many years. Bad heart? He had heart disease. उसको दिल की बीमारी थी. Yesterday morning he had a stroke. उसको एक stroke भी आया था, दौरा पड़ा था दिल का. Stroke is a sudden serious illness causing inability to move. कि वो move ना कर पाए, एकदम से उसको एक ऐसा झटका सा महसूस हो. He must have realized he was dying. With his last strength, he managed to put his will on the kitchen table. Will is wasihat. जो बोलते हैं हमने लाइक अ डॉक्यूमेंट दैट डिस्क्राइब दैट द प्रॉपर्टी और वेल्थ ऑफ अ पीपल विल गो टू whom, किसको जाएगी, आपकी प्रॉपर्टी और आपकी मनी या जो भी वेल्थ आपके पास है वो किसके नाम हो जाएगी, दैट इज विल, वसीयत बोलते हैं हिंदी में. So with his last strength he managed to put his will on the kitchen table. It leaves everything he owns including the palm tree nursery to Devonport. So in his will he Nolan transferred everything to Devonport. जो नोलन था उसने अपना हर कुछ, हर सारी चीजें, इवन पाम ट्री नर्सरी भी डेवनपोर्ट को दे दी थी. What's suspicious about that? Mrs. Brown asked. Now the question, what was the suspicious there? Because कोई अपनी चीज किसी को भी दे, इसमें क्या suspicious होगा? Nothing about the will itself, just about a sheet from his desk calendar. It was clipped to the will, said Chief Brown. Nothing about the will itself. He said that there was no problem, no suspicion about the will. Will में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई confusion नहीं है, कोई suspicion नहीं है. Just about a sheet from his desk calendar. There was a sheet that was clipped here is attached to the will के साथ एक शीट को अटैच किया गया था, कैलेंडर का टुकड़ा अटैच किया गया था. That was suspicious. वहाँ पे कुछ डाउट था उनको. He took out his pocket notebook and leafed through the pages. Leafed through meaning has been given here. Quickly turned the pages. So he took out his pocket notebook and turned the pages quickly. I copied what Nolan wrote on the sheet. He said, here it is. He handed the notebook to Mrs. Brown. He said he copied what Nolan had written on the sheet and then he gave the notebook to his wife, Mrs. Brown. Handed means to give, de dena. She read what he had copied. It has Devonport's name and address, she said, and a few words I don't understand. She read the copied words. There was Devonport's name and his address and some words she did not understand. कुछ ऐसे वर्ड भी लिखे थे जिनको वो समझ नहीं पाई. She handed the notebook to Encyclopedia. Now it was Encyclopedia's turn to solve the case. She gave the notebook to him. What do you make of 4 words, Leroy? What do you make of? Make here is understand. Make means understand. What do you understand of the 4 words, Leroy? So 4 words had been written on the sheet. उस sheet के ऊपर 4 word लिखे गए थे जिनको वो नहीं समझ पाई थी. And she was asking to Encyclopedia. Encyclopedia read the 4 words below Devonport's name and address. Nome, Utus, Sweden, Hertz. These 4 words had been written there. Nome, Utus, Sweden, Hertz. Mrs. Brown looked at him hopefully. She was hopeful that he could solve this mystery. Usually he needed to ask only one question to solve a case before dessert. So when they discussed the case at the dining table, he said nothing. He only listened to them. जो एनसाइक्लोपीडिया था वो केवल अपने फादर और मदर को सुनता था, वो कुछ भी नहीं कहता था डिनर टेबल पे. वो पूरा केस डिस्कस करते थे ताकि वो सारी चीज़ें समझ जाएं. एंड टू सॉल्व द केस ही ओनली आस्क्ड वन क्वेश्चन. वो एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछता था. बिफोर डिजर्ट, डिजर्ट इज अ स्वीट डिश आफ्टर मेन मील. खाने के बाद जो स्वीट डिश खाई जाती है, मीठा कुछ खाते हैं हम, दैट इज डिजर्ट. They were still on the soup. Maybe they were starting their dinner. यहाँ बोला है वो अभी केवल सूप पर ही थे. They were still on the soup. So maybe it was their starter. अभी तो उन्होंने शुरू ही किया था. Encyclopedia leaned back and closed his eyes when he did his hardest thinking. Leaned back. To move body backward while resting against something. झुक जाना, किसी चीज़ का सहारा लेके पीछे की ओर. And he closed his eyes when he did his hardest thinking. Whenever he thought something hardest, he closed his eyes. After several seconds, he opened his eyes and asked his question. Is there a young fir tree in Mr. Nolan's palm tree nursery? As we read before that to solve the mystery, to solve any case, he asked only one question. And now he was asking that one question. अब वो ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था. उसने पूरा केस सोच लिया था, अब उसने वो एक क्वेश्चन पूछा. इज देयर अ यंग फर ट्री इन मिस्टर नोलन्स पाम ट्री नर्सरी? वॉज देयर अ फर ट्री? फर एक पेड़ का नाम है. क्या एक फर ट्री है उसमें, नोलन के पाम ट्री गार्डन में, नर्सरी में? चीफ ब्राउन थॉट अ मोमेंट. Yes, there is one on the south side of the house. How did you know? Chief Brown answered, or Chief Brown presented the fact that there was a palm fir tree in his palm tree nursery in the south side. So, but he asked, how did he know? How he knew that? कि तुम्हें कैसे पता है तो एक फर ट्री वहां पे. The four words say so, Encyclopedia answered. When his father asked how he knew about fir tree, he answered that the four words were saying that there was a fir tree. They do, said Chief Brown. They do. The words told you about that. See for yourself, Encyclopedia urged. Encyclopedia emphasized and asked his father to see the words again. Chief Brown studied the four words: Nome, Utus, Sweden, Hertz. He shook his head and passed the notebook to Mrs. Brown again. Can you figure it out? Figure out means can you know that? क्या तुम पता लगा सकती हो? Can you find out? Nome is a shortening of nominative, a grammatical term, stated Mrs. Brown, who had taught English and other subjects in high school. Mrs. Brown used to teach English and other subjects in high school. वो पढ़ाती थी स्कूल में. तो उसने कहा nome is a shortening, short form of nominative. Utes are an American Indian tribe. जो यूटस है वो अमेरिकन ट्राइब है. Sweden is a country in northern Europe. And Hertz is Hertz. She lifted her gaze to encyclopedia and shook her head. Shook her head means she denied that she could not understand it. वो समझ नहीं पाएगी इसको, उसने मना कर दिया. I can figure it out. I can't figure it out. She confessed. She admitted that she could not figure it out. She could not find it out. वो इसको नहीं पता लगा पाएगी, नहीं समझ पाएगी. Davenport disappeared right after the hold-up. Encyclopedia reminded her. Encyclopedia reminded his mother that Davenport disappeared right after the robbery. As Dad said, Davenport and Nolan must have hidden the stolen jewelry. Probably not a week or so ago, Nolan changed the hiding place. Not a week or so ago means a week or less than a week ago. He changed his hiding place. Hiding place जहाँ पे छुपा है, छुपने की जगह. You think that he tried to tell Davenport by phone and failed to reach him? Mrs. Brown asked. So he wrote the four words as he was dying. So she asked her doubt that he may have tried on phone call and he was not able to connect it. That's why he wrote four words. Chief Brown nodded. Nodded means हाँ में सिर हिलाया उन्होंने. We will find Davenport now that we know his address. He learned he has been left the palm tree nursery, Mrs. Brown said, and the four words will tell him where the jewelry is hidden. Now, when Davenport will know that he had been left a palm tree nursery, or he had been someone, or Nolan had left for him a palm tree nursery, he would understand the four words and he would take the hidden jewelry. अगर उसको पता चला डेवनपोर्ट को कि नोलन ने उसके लिए पाम ट्री नर्सरी छोड़ा है तो वो उन चार वर्ड का मतलब समझ जाएगा और उस ज्वेलरी को ले लेगा. राइट, एनसाइक्लोपीडिया सेड. द कोड इज सिंपल, स्पेशली एज इट्स रिटन ऑन अ शीट फ्रॉम अ कैलेंडर. Davenport will understand it easily. Still, it wouldn't make much sense to someone who isn't looking for a hiding place. For a common person who is not looking a hiding place, this is very difficult to understand. कहते हैं कि कोई भी एक कॉमन मैन है जो छुपने की जगह कहीं नहीं ढूंढ रहा है तो उसके लिए तो मुश्किल होगा समझना. बट दिस इज वेरी सिंपल फॉर डेवनपोर्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. लेरोय मिसेस ब्राउन exclaimed, what do the four words mean? So she asked now the meaning of those four words. You already guessed, Mom. They tell where the jewelry is hidden. The four words told where the jewelry was hidden. Jewelry को कहाँ छुपाया गया था वही बताते हैं. Mrs. Brown looked ready to explode with impatience. Where? So she was becoming impatient that she could not wait for the answer. अब उससे वेट नहीं हो रहा था कि वो जल्दी से आंसर दे. Encyclopedia smiled. Why? Under the fifth word, he said. He said that the jewelry was hidden under the fifth word, and she asked what was the fifth word, because there were only 4 words written on the sheet. To tell Davenport where he had hidden the stolen jewelry, Nolan wrote a 4-word code. So to उसको Davenport को बताने के लिए उसने 4-word का code लिखा था. As the key to the code, he wrote the 4 words on a sheet from a desk calendar. The 4 words stood for days of the week. Nolan dropped the letters D-A-Y. The 4 words written on the sheet were 4 days of the week. Then he used other letters to form words. Nom, man. He dropped means उसने हटा दिया था. D-A-Y उसने हटा दिया था. हर डे से जो 4 डे बताए हैं, D-A-Y हटा दिया और उनके शुरू का जो वर्ड था वो लिख दिया. M-O-N. M-O-N. So he wrote its anagram N-O-M. M-O-N से उसने N-O-M बना दिया. U-T-E-S. So he made U-T-E-S from T-U-E-S. Sweden, W-E-D-N-E-S. And Hertz, T-H-U-R-S. So he removed day from each day. हर दिन से उसने डे हटा दिया D-A-Y और जो पहले वाले जो वर्ड्स थे उनका एनाग्राम लिख दिया उसने. एज वी रेड इन द एक्सरसाइज द एक्टिविटी बिफोर द चैप्टर, जैसा कि हमने एनाग्राम पढ़ा था चैप्टर से पहले. द रिटन 5th वर्ड वॉज फर और फ्राइडे. फ्राइडे में F-R-I, सो उसका उसने एनाग्राम लिखा F-I-R. द ज्वेलरी वॉज फाउंड इनसाइड अ 20-gallon jug of earth from which grew the young fir tree Nolan's nursery, just as Encyclopedia had foreseen. So, after solving the case, the jewelry was found in a 20-gallon. Gallon is a measurement of amount. लीटर वगैरह मापने का कोई एक मेजरमेंट होता है गैलन. 20-gallon jug of earth. Of earth it means soil, मिट्टी. 20-gallon jug जो कि मिट्टी से भरा हुआ था, that was full of soil. From which grew the young fir tree, और जिसके अंदर फर ट्री को उगाया गया था उस नर्सरी में, वहाँ पे वो ज्वेलरी मिली. जस्ट एज एनसाइक्लोपीडिया हैड फोरसीन और प्रिडिक्टेड. प्रिडिक्ट मीन्स पहले से ही बता देना. टू टेल इन एडवांस. सो written by Donald J. Sobol. Here we have completed the reading of this chapter, and some of the exercises we will do in the next video. If you have any type of any query, feel free to ask in comment box. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.